Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Facebook friends list visible to you only. It's a quick and simple privacy setting that helps protect your personal connections. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Icon Settings at top. Now, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap on How People Find and Contact You. Here, tap on Who Can See Your Friends List. A list of options will appear. To keep your friends list private, select Only Me. Once you've selected Only Me, your friends list will no longer be visible to anyone else on Facebook. Keep in mind, though, that people can still see mutual friends. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Facebook friends list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more privacy tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.